I am about to ice the roads here in approach of a major winter storm. An ice storm, snowstorm, all in one that is hitting our direction. And before I proceed to do that, let me just look at this sunset. The coloration over there is spectacular. Let me see if I can get a better view. It is the perfect way to end the calm before the storm, which where I'm standing it's probably going to start out more as sleet, a few ice pellets, and then kind of go back and forth between snow. But this is one of those cases where it depends on where you are. But this is definitely the calm for the storm right now. It's very peaceful. You can see there's blue sky still, and it's only about 38 degrees, and winds are less than 5 miles an hour right now. But that's all going to change. And so just take a good look at what you're seeing. Take a good look at the landscape, the colors that will hopefully be all white by this time tomorrow. So. This is the scene at, what's the time? 9:15 a.m. The snow has arrived here earlier than expected, and as you can see, it's already coating all the hard surfaces. Actually, pretty much everything right now. Started out as sleet, and now it changed over to snow really quickly, which is a good sign because the more snow you get out of it, the better. But this is just the start. We're going to get this for the next 24 to 30 hours, and we'll see how much snow we get out of this. We could get up to a foot, some say. I'm really skeptical. I'm just going to think 6, and if anything else happens on top of that, that'll be a bonus. Alright, I'm just back at the house here. It's been snowing like this for about an hour, and coming down at about a rate of about 0.2 to 0.3 inches an hour. So I just took a measurement, and we don't have a whole lot right now. We only have about, let's do a new area. Whoops. Well, actually maybe 0.6, 0.7 inches now. And so it's going to pick up in intensity. So what's going to happen is that we'll probably get up to maybe closer to an inch an hour during some of the hours. So we'll get up, the totals we'll be able to rack up. But it's falling really nicely. 1:30, we got about 2 inches on the ground, and they got about 3 down in parts of southern Williamson, around in northern Murray, Marshall, in the Spring Hill, Topham Station area. I think Hohenwald's got some good amounts. I heard Murfreesboro has close to 2.5 on the ground. We're catching up, but some spots north of Nashville still have, probably have like a half an inch or less on the ground. But this is this is the view, and the snow's coming down very moderately. Not light, not too heavy. Could be a lot heavier, but it's coming at it's coming down at a pretty good clip, and it's at that point where even on the roads, you step and you don't really meet the road. You actually it's all snow, and that's kind of what happens when you get up to 2 inches. But it's just absolutely stunning. What you are hearing is the sound of sleet pellets hitting this holly tree. And that's the sound of my cell phone going off. But what we got right now is about 3.5 to 4 inches of snow on the ground. And now we got sleet falling. There's warmer air at the 850 millibar level. So if I talk quietly, maybe you can continue to hear the sleet pellets, ricocheting off the windows and the doors and the gutters and also the trees. It's mainly sleet right now. It's gone to a mixture of 75% sleet, 25% snow. I don't know if you could really see. It's hard to tell unless I get in the light here. Yeah, it's, you can see what I'm talking about. It's kind of a mixture of sleet and snow, really. But you can hear the sleet in the trees, so that's what I'm talking about. All right. We're live from Foxborough Drive. We're joined by Sally Munns as well as Kelson Kidder. We're about to try, we're using mattresses to go sledding down this hill. And I'm going to use this one, which probably not going to work, so. Oh, yes, I need to get up. I need to get further up. And yes, the camera is still going. Do it.
The best it works, the closer you are. Yeah.
Go. Look at that. Look at that. That sounded like SpongeBob. Just a little bit. All right, here I go. Help. What am I supposed to do?
Get it, Sally, get it, go!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm going up the hill here. This is such a great sight. I love this. Mostly snow again here. Top of the hill. There's my house down there, and there's Sally, Kaylee, and Kelsey. We're going sledding. There's the sled. There they are, and this is a gorgeous sight. It's just the snow falling through the light. It's just so amazing. In fact, I want to get closer to this because look at this. The lighting is just great. Hey, I don't know who lives here, but I love you. Look at these flakes. They're look at these flakes. This is what I call heavy snow. This is like what kind of the reason why I live.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm going. We're good. We're good. We're just going down this, what's this street called?
I don't know.
Hunterboro. It's Hunterboro. And we're going about maybe 4 miles an hour, but it's, oh, the sleet's hurting my face.
No.
The sleet pellets, they burn. It burns. And there's our street, Foxborough, as we merrily go along the way here. And I think our running towels is a girl goes to Lee or something. So we're just keeping.
I can feel things.
Oh, that's the way to go. We're back here again. It's a winter wonderland. I don't know how to describe it. It's like a scene from a postcard or a wintry calendar where you would think this was like the Great Lakes or up northeast or something. Come back! Trying to keep up with you is not easy. All right, this is Saturday morning. It's about 8 o'clock, and take a look at this. You can tell that we had sleet and freezing rain last night because this is. Check out that hard noise and the crunch that I make when I step into the snow. It's so hard. That thick layer of ice. It's like absolutely incredible. In fact, I can't really remember the last time I was involved in a storm like this, where we had mostly snow in the beginning, and then actually it turned to sleet and this way to snow. Look at that. That's just so perfect. So great. One last wave of snow, one more round, and we'll be done. So maybe just a slight layer of new snow on top of this, but won't be too much, but still the snow falls, and so. We just had to get the sled out. It was frozen.
Look, feel the rope.
Is it icy? Yeah.
No, put your clothes on.
I'm taking video.
Yeah, but Cameron, you're supposed.
This is not Mount Everest. I'm not gonna get frostbite. I mean, I am not Buck Weathers, or whatever that guy's name. Look at this ice. Probably a few tenths of an inch at least.
You ready, kids?
Oh, I'm ready.
Oh.
Mom. Okay, dusk in Brentwood. And, it's Saturday, January 30th, and just want to kind of just take this time to show you, you know, kind of what this storm, you know, a little bit more about the storm, just looking at this piece of ice. You know, on this side, what started as snow, you can kind of see just a little it's just, it's kind of hard to see, but you could kind of just tell that, you know, first you could see how snow fell. This is, you know, when I broke this off, this was on top, This is on bottom. Snow was on the bottom, and you see this hard ice that came up on top of that. Usually it's the other way around. Usually the ice falls first. This is what makes that storm. This is what makes the storm so unique, is that the ice fell last, and with snow to freezing rain, or snow to sleet to freezing rain, not the other way around. So it's just interesting that you just take any piece of ice, on the ground, and you can tell a lot about this storm.